Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can apply the black and white strobe transition effect in CapCut PC and how you can combine with a video effect. So first you can select your videos or just photos if you want to edit, and for example and after done you are just going to select original place to that pro effect. Select transition and select PNW stroke. This is new pro effect from CapCut. You have to join pro first to be able to use this effect, and here add to the track just for duration and size of clips, and C for the final result. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.